Return to the heart where the silence begins, your center of truth, of the journey within. When scattered by voices and demands of the day, soul calls us gently to breathe and to stay. Self-love is the anchor, awareness the flame, responsibility whispers we rise to reclaim. No need to be lost in the chaos around. The rhythm of stillness can always be found. Those that have knowledge see wind in the trees, they see its effect and bend with the breeze. Those who have wisdom, they see the wind, for they feel the source of the breath from within. The ocean flows freely, it never commands. The sky holds no power over wind in its hands. Each moment a flavor, both bitter and sweet, and offer a teacher a lesson complete. Emotion in motion, it rises, it falls, a wave that flows through invisible walls. To cling is to suffer, to loosen is peace. In letting go gently, our spirits release. Those that have loudest see wind in the trees, they see its effect and bend with the breeze. Those who have wisdom, they see the wind, for they feel the source of the breath from within. The truth will be shown. The heart is the place where we're always at home. In stillness and motion, the truth always shows. The wind is your teacher. It will